This is the stock end cap. How do I get it out in the first place? Well, you have some screws here. They're torque screws. So I already took them out. Zing, zing, zing. And then you just have to break it loose. I actually just hit it with a chisel real easy. And they're popping loose real easy, which is super nice, right? And they're coming out pretty good nowadays. I know, I have been working out. I mean, huge. That's pretty cool. All right, let's cut this. Stock, they come with an O-ring. On the outside, we don't use the O-ring. Reuse the O-ring on ours. When you get ours, it comes loose with the spark arrestor in the middle of it. So basically, we're just going to open it up, put the spark arrestor inside, bolt it back together, and stick it in place. Big nice spark arrestor element. One great thing about this is the only one that angles down far enough. Ours is the only one that angles down far enough to where it doesn't burn the stock turn signal. Everything else you buy, every aftermarket muffler or every other end cap that's out there is going to burn these stock turn signals. They also don't have all the quiet inserts that we'll be offering here real quick. So, I don't know, just kind of poke the hair in there. We're going to set this thing in place. We're going to tap it in with a rubber mallet and fasten it down. So it's been tapped in place with a rubber mallet. It was a really nice fit. I greased the screws a little bit. That's personal opinion to help things go together. Sometimes the holes don't exactly line up. This time, it looks like they're perfect. 95 out of 100 times, we get it perfect. Sometimes, though, it's an extruded can with the holes are just punched in it, and it's a little flexy. And, right, the stockings, I mean, everything's just mass-produced. So sometimes those things are just grabbed together and gone crazy. Hence the, the O-ring in there probably to help seal up some of their garfs. So, but as long as you know this, you're looking pretty good.